Hello everyone, I am Anita, I am full-time freelancer. In this video, I will share how to handle delayed orders or modified orders. My channel mainly shares freelance platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, remote work, and work from home. If you also like this type of videos and welcome you to subscribe to me, because I have been working on these platforms for 3 years, with rich experience and earning a lot of money. I believe my experience will be very helpful for beginners. Let's start our Fiverr course now. When you see a green message icon in the inbox, this is the message the buyer sent you. These messages require you to reply soon. If buyer waits for too long, your order may be lost. Here, Fiverr will have 5 indicators to measure your account. The first one is the inbox response, and these 5 indicators should not be lower than 95%. If buyer requests to use other contact ways for chatting, please refuse the customer and continue to chat on Fiverr, as Fiverr will check your chat records with buyers. If any violations are found, your account will be banned, which is a very serious problem. Fiverr also imposes very strict penalties in this part. Some of my friends have had their accounts banned for this reason. After the buyer buy your gig and pay it, the gig will become an active order, and the order will start counting down the time. If you are unable to complete your work within the expected time, a red light icon will appear, indicating that your work is overdue. If you are still unable to upload your work content at this time, you need to scroll down and find Request to Extend Due Date, which will allow you to negotiate with the buyer to apply for more time extension for this work. As long as the buyer can accept the specific extension of a few days, there is no problem. Click to enter, select the option to extend delivery time, and then select the reason. If there is no reason you want, you can choose other options. Enter your reason, and days, then submit it. After submission, wait for the buyer to agree. If the delay is caused by objective reasons such as time difference, the buyer will quickly agree to your extension request. If the delay is caused by personal reasons, the buyer will likely refuse your request for an extension. So before you confirm this order with the buyer, you need to leave enough time for yourself to complete the gig. If you encounter buyers who require you to repeatedly modify your submitted work content, please communicate with them in a friendly manner first. If you find that the buyer just doesn't want to make payment to you, you can ask Fiverr staff to help intervene and adjust. I encountered this client who asked me to repeatedly modify it 5 to 6 times. So don't be nervous when encountering problems, analyze them rationally, and learn more from experienced people. In the next video, I will share how to withdraw the money you earned on Fiverr. If you like my video, welcome you to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a message. Thank you for seeing the end of the video. Goodbye.